What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm your boy McLovin, and today I'm going to clean up in here. It's really junky right now. Clean it up in here, and then outside. That's right, it's a Hellcat out there. So what we're going to do with that is put on some muffler tips, and then we're just going to enjoy the day. Enjoy this day, and cue the intro. So that's pretty much all I'm gonna get for now. I'm gonna clean out a little bit more, but we got the Hellcat coming in, so let me go ahead and record a little bit of that. He said, I'm gonna make sure.
I had to get that before. I'll put them tips on, man.
All right, so it's in here. I'm about to go ahead and what a tip at?
Are we recording now?
Shoot, look at that.
I'm on everybody's YouTube video.
This thing is huge. I didn't know like from the factory they come with removable tips. So this is like, first of all, this on the inside is huge already. What is it, 5 inch? You said 5 inch tip?
5 inch.
5 inch tip. Mine got a 4 inch tip on it. And it's still like, I thought my car had a big tip on it. That is a huge exhaust tip. So there goes mine. And his is like even bigger than that. It's crazy. But from the factory, these things come with little muffler tips on them. So you just take the old muffler tip off and put the new one on. You got it right there. That's the old one. I guess the old one is a 3 inch. And then we gonna put, it's gonna take off. What's the screw? That screw right there. Take this off. You get this one off. And then boom. You put the new one on.
The whole front light up.
Oh. That is crazy, bruh. It's like a V-band pretty much, ain't it?
Yeah, but it's just like...
Yeah, you might need a breaker bar too. To actually like...
Yeah, like a light little hammer.
Oh, you ain't even gotta do that, bruh. Boy, you just hit the chrome with the hammer.
I don't want to hit his chrome, though. Oh, well, I'm gonna hit his chrome.
Yep.
You know what really messes it up? I really feel like if that clamp was not welded on,
Exactly.
Easy. You just pull the clamp off. You can just pull this off.
You ready?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready now.
Go ahead. Why am I calling this? They gonna add a special touch.
Just made a difference. Sound a little
It's like, whoa. It's like,
And just like that, that is a wrap. Put them tips on there. It look really good. Look really good. Yeah, I'm gonna add another Iron Giant on
I
there.
was like, boy, it's beaming.
That's what people been saying when they pull up. They see this thing and they like it's crazy, like the way the sun hit off of it. Huh? This is Texas satin silver chrome.
Satin silver chrome. Yeah, I
Mhm.
know it's chrome, but it's like it's not a, one of them.
Right.
Chrome.
And you see how compared to the paint, I feel like I'm gonna just leave this. But you see compared to my stock color paint, it clearly is different. But you can't, man, you ain't gonna ever pay attention.
Yeah, man. It's like that thing is beaming, man.
Yeah, it is. That's the whip, man. Put another Iron Giant, and then put some accent.
It's all on and stuff.
That do sound different. Without the tips, they kind of squat. Don't make no sense, man. You get a car? Yeah. So I finished. What? You did what? Alright, man. Drive safe. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So this is going inside of a trunk of a bagged Infiniti, and the person wanted the white jumbo Louis Vuitton pattern on the air tank. So that's what we're going to cut out now. Chauncey just put the vinyl on the plotter. Now we just got to check to make sure it's somewhat centered. So he's gonna.
you sheep.
Nah, you good. All right, so what we about to do now is FaceTime the customer, or call the customer pretty much to make sure this is what she wants. We got the vinyl cut out, so now we can just make that final cut on this. Can't see it right now, but yeah, that'll be cut out and then that'll go on the air tank. It's a little cold outside, but we got the Louis Vuitton print all weeded out and transferred over with some transfer tape. And my what am I trying to say? yeah, my splitter wire still doesn't work. So gonna, you know, try to work that out. Don't know what's really happening with that, but we're gonna figure it out. And then gonna try to make that work too. Cause oh, let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So right here, you see my fog lights on. So we got all my lights on and the fog light. The fog light is right there. But on the other side, you can see it's not there. And I don't know why. I think the bulb's bad, but we gonna see. Doubt it. It's just the wiring and whatever. Something ain't right. Okay, so the car is in the garage now. We're about to finesse the rest of this wiring. Already did it on the splitter. This is what the splitter looks like. Splitter looks amazing. Ooh, I thought that was the broken piece. Splitter looks amazing. It functions properly. But the issue is on the light. So instead of it being a RGB, it's like a GRB weird thing. So you gotta switch them up. Over here on the other side, I did it right, but I forgot. So let me show you. So all the colors had to correspond to a certain thing. And if you look down here, I had it black to blue, red to red. Let me show you. So black to blue, red to red. We got red to red. Then we got green to black. And then it was going to be blue to green. So I got to redo all of that again and then do the same thing on the other side. And we have liftoff. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. So everything's working now. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We got everything working for these lights. That there would do it for my car. Finally, I can like breathe easy knowing that the lights are done, okay? That's it. Wow. You know what makes this even better? Literally, that's all that, you know, I contributed to, right? The rest of this trunk is all beautiful because of you.
Yeah, but
And it is like a follow piece to it,
well,
you know?
two things. Number one, I could have never done that myself like you just did that. I would have been, so many times when I've been modding my car myself, like it turned out in the end, I cried several times during it.
Right. Hey, that's how it goes.
This went pretty good today. So yeah. I'm not done. So I don't, like I was saying, I don't have any adhesive under here. So I have, it's just this and this is holding it down. So I put one piece of Velcro right here. Yeah. Okay. And once I get the other Velcro pieces in, like it will be taut.
You are not playing.
Yeah. But this was hard. I'm not kidding. It was hard. And also, let me tell you what was hard. This was already drilled in there. And so I had to find all of the holes through the fabric. And I had to use the weirdest tool for that.
Oh, this is crazy. And there we have it. That's another video. Yeah, this has been a great day in the Ideal Auto Factory. Got a lot of modifications done in one day, in 5 hours or so. Sorry I didn't show the Louis Vuitton being put on the tank, the Louis Vuitton pattern, but you know, some stuff just, you'll see it later on, probably in one of my videos, how I lay that stuff. I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for watching the video, and like, comment, subscribe, and keep God first, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.